hard again. Move back.
Move back. Unique throw.
I reel too hard?
No, you're supposed to do this. Yeah, let me show you. When it might, when you see that little red thing go down,
Yeah, I know.
you yank it with your pole.
How do you yank it?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah! Move up harder. Whoa!
What is this?
Woo! That's a fish. Reel it, Khoa. Reel it. Yeah, reel it. Reel it up. Wow! This is awesome. Let me see.
Here, hold like this.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, wait for 4 minutes. Okay, let me see, Khoa. Wow, this is the big fish ever. Okay, reel it. Yeah.
Big one.
Wow, you catch it by yourself, Khoa. This is awesome. Yeah.
Slowly. Slowly. Put it like this. All right, don't. Okay, roll. No. Just leave it like that. Real.
You get closer.
Closer. See, like that. Come on.
Wait.
Come on. There you go. It's a big catfish.
Good job, Khoa. Whoa, wow, catfish again. Move it up. Yeah, catfish again, Khoa.
Wow.
Pull up.
I'm going to tell Bull about
You want
I'm so young and you're so old. This, my darling, I've been told. I don't care just what they say, 'cause for